Betterment Digital Advisor Robo-advisor for investing. Honest review. Watch before using. Betterment is one of the most well-known robo-advisors, designed for hands-off investors looking for automated portfolio management. It offers goal-based investing, tax loss harvesting, and personalized portfolios using low-cost ETFs. With no account minimum and a 0.25% annual management fee, it's accessible for beginners while still offering advanced tools like socially responsible investing and customizable portfolios. The platform is ideal for long-term investors, retirement savers, and those who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach. Betterment's automated rebalancing ensures your portfolio stays aligned with your goals, and its tax strategies can optimize after-tax returns. The premium plan at 0.40% includes unlimited access to certified financial planners. However, Betterment lacks direct indexing, and customer support is limited compared to traditional advisors. While it's great for passive investing, it may not suit active traders or those wanting individual stock picking. Overall, Betterment is a solid choice for hands-off investors who want an easy, affordable way to grow wealth without constant management. If you value automation, low fees, and smart tax strategies, it's a top-tier option. However, if you need extensive financial planning beyond investments, you might want to supplement it with a human advisor.